This is the latest platform where you can earn to $2 every day without doing anything. I've made a whole lot of money from this platform. So if you want to register now, click on the link in the description of this video. It will take you to this place, so you can either register with phone number or with email address. So I'm going to log in now, since I already have an account in this place, and you can see my withdrawal proof in the screen now. Alright, so once you get registered, you're going to see this announcement in this place. So in this announcement now, you're going to see the more details about this platform. So this is hotel level 1. You need 12 USD to unlock this level 1, and you earn 2 USD per day and 60 USD per month. So this is huge. 60 USD with just your 12 USD. And hotel 2, you need 60 USD, and you will drop 10 USD per day and 900 USD per month. A very huge money. This is hotel 3 level. This is level 3. You need 240 USD. You'll be earning 40 USD per day and 1,200 USD per month. This is awesome and very huge. You can rush in and start making money for yourself. I've been withdrawing this every day, and I'm going to show you how you can do this here. Very simple and easy. So with just your 12 USD, now you see that you can be able to earn 60 USD per month and 2 USD every day. So once you finish reading this now, just click on I know. So this is the platform now. So if you scroll down now, you see member list and their withdrawal record. You see people who are already withdrawing this platform now. $2, $120, $20. So people are withdrawing every day from this platform. So if you want to start making money from this platform, the first thing you need to do is just to come down to VIP here. So if you come to VIP, you are going to see different levels of earnings in this place. So I'm on level 1, which is this. So I upgrade level 1. So after checking a couple of these things now, any of them that you want to unlock, if you want to unlock level 1, you need to deposit 12 USDT. If you want to unlock level 2, you need to deposit 60 USDT. So if you want to unlock any of this level now, come down to me and recharge your wallet. So if you come to this place, click on recharge here. So it's going to take you to this place. So copy this wallet address now and send, like me, I'm going to recharge with 12 USD. So I'm going to copy this wallet address and send 12 USD to my wallet address. So remember, do not recharge other until 20 USD are sent to this place. The funds arrive to your account within 1 to 10 minutes after recharging. So once you are done recharging, you can come back here and click on recharge complete. So I'm going to deposit 12 USD now to my wallet address. I'll copy this wallet address now. Once I deposit, I'll come back and perform the task and withdraw. Alright guys, I've deposited in my wallet now and I've unlocked VIP 1. So if you look at this, you see I've unlocked VIP 1. So I'm going to task now. So under task, you see that I can now do a job. So today's remaining task is 2 over 2. So what I'm going to do now is to click on this place. See, completed successfully. Then I'll scroll down and click on the second one. Completed successfully. So you see I have earned $2 now. These are $2 I'm going to withdraw. And there are other ways you can earn from this platform apart from depositing. So you can also refer your friends to earn in this platform. So if you want to refer, just copy to team here. So you see different levels of referral in this place. So this is your referral link and this is your referral code. So if you want to refer your friends, you can click on this place to copy your referral link, and any friend you refer in this place, you're going to earn 9% of your friend's deposits in this place, and the second person's referral, you're going to earn 4% of that person, and the third person is 2% of that person. So this is a nice platform. Now you can rush in and start making money for yourself. So you are going to watch me now. Let me withdraw to my bank. Let me withdraw to my wallet now. So if you want to withdraw now, just come to this place. So click on me here. So you see the $2 I'm going to withdraw now. So I'll click on withdraw here. So this is the $2 I'm going to withdraw. I'm going to paste my wallet address now. So you go to your exchange and copy your wallet address. Remember, this is USD Challenge 20 wallet address. So I've copied my wallet address. I'm going to paste it in this column. So this is my wallet address, and this is the place I'm going to put the amount I want to withdraw. So the amount I want to withdraw is 2 USDT. So I'm going to put 2 here. This is my password. I'll click on confirm. You see withdrawal successful. So I'm going to check my exchange now to know if this money has been deposited in my wallet. So this is what I have in my wallet before. I'm going to refresh to know if this money will enter now. So it has not arrived. Let me refresh so as I'm waiting for it, as I'll keep refreshing to receive. Look at this now. I'll receive this 2 USDT now in my wallet. So I've been credited. So that's how you can withdraw money from this platform straight to your wallet address, and so you can rush in and start making money for yourself. The link to this platform is in the description of this video, so click on the link and get registered and start making money for yourself. But guys, don't forget to do your own research and know that everything about making money online are all risky.